you need a wrench right now? Well, I can help you out in just a second. Let me do this unboxing, and then I'll grab you all the wrench. I'll grab wrenches for days. Anyways, today we're talking Velvet Underground and Nico, produced by Andy Warhol, put out in 1967. One of my favorite albums. My 80s copy was put out, I believe, 80 something. This is the just released Udiscover put out a high fidelity version of this album. So I'm super excited. I love the Velvet Underground. Anything Lou Reed ever does, I'm always like, yeah, Lou Reed. So Lou Reed, Sterling Morrison, you got John Cale, Mo Tucker on the drums. She just kills it. Doug Yule will play on their later on albums. I don't really care for Doug Yule at all, but I do love, Mo Tucker. She's a great gal. Apparently she went to church every Sunday while they were producing this album. So that's very interesting with songs like Waiting for My Man and European Sun and Black Angel of Death. But other things like you have Venus and Furs. Venus and Furs might be one of the most unique songs. You have John Cale on the violin just shredding away, just like a shrieking on the violin. It's beautiful. This whole album goes through a whole story. You go through Sunday Morning, starting off with this delightful record, and then ending with European Sun, which is sometimes it's pretty rowdy at the end, but it's a great album. I'm very excited to see how Udiscover did it. I know there's a lot of different variations of albums coming out, and it might be a pocket grab kind of thing like that, or a money grab. It might be a money grab or something like that, but I want to give it the time of day and kind of review it because I love the Velvet Underground, and I haven't seen a high fidelity version of this yet. I always want an original copy. Maybe one day I'll get an original copy, but for now, we're going to unbox this guy. I'll let you take a look at it, see the difference of the albums. Very excited, so subscribe for Lou Reed. Yeah, heck yeah. Oh, yeah, I'll grab that wrench.